Boom, this crazy predictor, this really crazy predictor. Okay guys, I again click hack. Hey guys, look at this is my official SQL aviator predictors. See guys, this is my official Telegram group. This is my official link for group Crash Hack 1x. See guys, I don't have another groups, I don't have Telegram WhatsApp groups, I have only Telegram groups guys. This is my official support channel Crash Hack. Just Crash Hack. My difference, if you want by predictor, just write me here. And if you want to see my revives, click this link, my difference. Now I show you my revives. This all true, this all real, this nothing fake revives guys, this all real. This is my video revives. I have many video revives guys, just search in this channel. And if you want to download, click this download SQL plus instruction guys. See my friends, search this link. This is my official link for group. Search this link, and after you click link, download archive. After downloading archive, just use this password for archive. See guys, open program, login, and see this video lesson how to working my program guys. Okay, back. This is my official Telegram guys. So look this, my dear friends. This 1x bet. I choose Crash. Wait a little bit, wait loading guys. Wait friends. So guys, look at this official 1xbet website. I show you this. Look at this, friend. All buttons work. This all real guys, see. Look this, I scroll website, this is all real, this is not fake, this is not cutting, this not montage with defense. Wait, connecting. Okay guys, first number 2.10x guys. Just look this with your friends. Look this guys, how it's work. Now I show you how it's work. Boom, this working. Okay, next number 5.00. See guys, see my friends. Boom, this crazy predictor, this really crazy predictor. Okay guys, I again click hack 1.64x. Look this, my dear friend, this is all real, this is not cutting, this is not montage, my friends. 1.64x. Boom, again working, and last hack guys 1.34x guys. See my friends, how it's work. This really best beautiful predictor. See my friends, see. And boom guys, this is my official links, Crash Hack, this is my official account, and Crash Hack 1x. If you want buy real working hack, just write me here and make money with me, my friends.